dear admin. So in this video we can learn how can we install the MSL application in the store, as well as like how to add the store locator in your page. So first of all, you have to install the application. After installing the application, you are just simply land on this dashboard of the application, and when you go for the settings, there is a two things needs to be required. One is a map API and one is a geocoding API, and for this we already have a link here. So how to create a Google Map API? When you click on that, it will be redirected to the instruction guideline, and here you can see all the instruction line how could do that, and the YouTube video as well. So once you create the Google Map API, you have to add that map API and geocoding API here and save it. After that, you just need to go for the stores to add the new store on your store, like store locator. So I'm just going to add store button here. After that, you can just add whatever you want to go for example, here you can set Siddharth, whatever the store name is there, and then after you just need to add the address, which is here, and if there is a zip code, then you can enter that, the phone number, the email address, like the phone number if you want to go for, you can add that, the email address is there, and instruction, like if there is an instruction or sub description is there, then you can add that here for this particular store. And here is the direction link. So here if you set the static link from the Google Map map, then you can just enter that here, or else it will be like getting it from this address for the direction. Okay, now here is a link of the store profile. Like if you want to add a store image, then you just need to click on this link. You can add or upload your image here. After uploading, there is an option to copy the link from here. You can just copy it and paste it here. So that's thing to display the image for that particular store. After that, when you go for the different things like website, Google, Instagram and Facebook, that is the social media icons, you can just add it if you want to go for. Then after, here is a regular time, whatever the regular times are there. For example, if the store time is look like Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. okay, so you can add it like that. And then after, whatever the things you want to remove, you can just simply click on this, and it will be allow you to edit the time, because we don't want to go for Saturday and Sunday like this instruction. So I can just remove that from here. And here is the option like save and exit. So based on your requirement, you can just click it. I just make it save and exit. So after saving, it will be allow me to exit for that. And here you can see the image is there, the instructions are there, the phone number, the email address, and the operational hours are there. Okay, now when we go for the front end, like how we can add the store locator in our front store. So there are two things are there. Normally user is creating a store locator page like here. Page, and from the settings, like when you go for the settings of the application, there is a shortcode is there. You can add simply that shortcode inside the page content area, like here you can see. You can simply add that here, okay, and save it. So that is the one option to go for, and save it. Now you can see the view page, and here the store locator is display like this. Okay, and when you click on it, it will be display the instruction and all other stuffs. Like as I mentioned, that it will be direction button is there, so it is based on like your address. If you add it manually, then it will be based on the manual one. Okay, so that's the thing. Now the thing is, like if you want to add this inside your page area, like with the home page, then what we need to do, like when you go for the online store or any other store like the product page or somewhere, so just click on the customize. When you go for the customize, you can see here the add section button is there. You can click on that, go to the map and apps and find the MSL. Here you can see when we add it, it will be add a app widget here. Simply just drag and drop where you want to display these particular things and save it. Now you can go here for the home page, and you can see here it will be display the MSL video. store locator here with the home page as well. So this is the theme extension with the app extension, so you can easily add it from your store as well. Let me know if you have any other question, or we have a live chat with the application, so you can just go for that and the support team will help you. Thank you.